My name is Jose Rodriguez. I'm an EOPS counselor, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the program. The EOPS program, which stands for Extended Opportunity Programs and Services, is a program that was started over 30 years ago to help the students be successful in college and universities. It is available in all the community colleges in California, and in the Cal State system is also available as EOP. They dropped the S. Now, to qualify for the EOPS program, you need to have some basic requirements. You need to qualify for the fee waiver, or the BOG, and in other words, you need to have economic need. Then you need to also be educationally disadvantaged. In other words, when you take the assessment test, you need to score in one of the three areas, the English, the math, or the reading, at the remedial level, at least in one of them. You need to apply. They take applications in the EOPS office in S-240, and unfortunately for the fall, they already got all the students that they can accept. But they will start accepting applications again for the spring, probably in the month of November. Okay. The EOPS program provides services and a little bit of assistance to buy books. So they give you a book service, which allows you to go to the bookstore and buy books, a certain amount of money they give you. We have a book lending library, meaning that if you need a book and you cannot buy it, we might have it there and we'll lend it to you for a semester. We provide you with supplies. We have an early registration service where you can register before the rest of the student population, the general student population. We have 4 counselors that work for the program, so you don't necessarily need to go to the general counseling office to get served. You can come to the EOPS office, and we have 4 counselors: Yvette Garcia, Diana Reyes, Denise Clark, and myself, Jose Rodriguez. And we can provide all the counseling needed, just like if you go to the regular counseling office. We also help you in the transfer process, of course, and we pay for the application to transfer whenever you're ready to transfer. We pay for the applications. If you take an assessment in the Career Development Center, like an interest test or a personality type test, if you're undecided about a major, we also pay for that. Once you accumulate 30 units and you have at least a 3.0 GPA, we give you a grant, to help you pay for your expenses, but you have to have 30 units completed, a minimum with 3.0 GPA. And also when you graduate, when you transfer, or when you get a certificate, we also reward you with a small grant. So in summary, those are the services that we provide, and those are the requirements for the EOPS program.